So how do you use the Reels app on the Android? Let's get started. Let me explain the thing. So if it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, there isn't any official Reels app because if you want to browse the Reels, there are either part of the Instagram platform or the Facebook, right? This is where the short vertical videos are called Reels. On the YouTube, it's called YouTube Shorts, and on TikTok, it's just TikTok, right? But if you're interested in the Reels, there isn't like any dedicated app for it, and instead you can find it within Instagram or Facebook. So as I said, you need to have one of those apps, of course, be signed in with your account, and you can just start browsing it. In my case, on the Instagram, I can just click on the Reels button and I can start scrolling through it. And similarly on Facebook, you can as well open it up as such, go to the more options right here, and you should also be able to find the Reels and just start browsing it just on a different platform. So that is generally how you can do this. That's how you can use the quote Reels app if that's the thing you have in mind. Because if you look up the word Reels into the Play Store where you are getting your apps, you are most likely only gonna get a Reels editor. So that is the only quote Reels app which you can use. But yeah, I really hope that I can explain it well to you. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. That's it from me. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.